Hi guys, this is Fabien, and today I'm going to teach you how to invite people to presentation and make sure they almost always say, yes, I want to take a look. Are you ready? So the first thing you need to know is that what I'm going to teach you, you need to apply. If you don't apply, it doesn't work. It's like everything else, okay? So let's take an example. Let's say that you are talking to someone who doesn't really like his job. He wants to do something else, but he doesn't know if he's qualified, if he can get a new job anytime. So this is your friend, okay? So the first thing you need to do is to identify the needs. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is that they talk about their business without identifying the needs. So identify the needs will be like, when you talk to this person, so last time you told me that you don't like your job, you want to look for something else. Did you find something? How is it going? How is your job search going? And that person will tell you, look, I'm still looking for a new job, really not happy in what I do, or I want to make more money, or I'm a student and I feel it's unfair that my first job will be underpaid, blah, blah, blah. Whatever the need is, you need to identify the need. Okay? Number one. Number two, you will reuse the exact same sentence to invite that person to take a look at your information, okay? All you want is to share your information. Remember that. The more you share, the more people will say yes. So you can say to this person, look, since you are looking for a new job, but you don't find any opportunity, I want to tell you that I started to build a business, and this business can actually help you with this exact same problem. If I send you some information, would you take a look? I repeat, reuse the exact same need to offer your information. Hey, since you told me that you feel it's unfair to start as a fresh grad on a job and being underpaid, if I send you some information that can help you find a solution to this problem, would you take a look? That's it. Can you imagine the person saying, no, I will not take a look? They will take a look, okay? So that's number two, reuse the problem to offer information. Then when they say yes, they want to take a look, we are at the step number three, offer two options. So when they say yes, I will take a look, you say, okay, fantastic. I give you two options for you to take a look. Option number one, you can come to this Thursday at 9 p.m. There is a Zoom presentation that's going to explain exactly how I work, how we build this thing, this business, which is amazing. That's the option number one. Option number two, and here you have a few options. You can say, option number two, we catch up with my business coach and he will explain to you everything, how we work. Or you can say, option number two, I send you a replay to a pre-recorded webinar and you can watch it anytime. What option do you prefer? What option do you prefer? And that person will choose an option, okay? By the way, for the pre-recorded webinar, I will put a few links below so you can actually reuse my webinar or Helen's webinar, okay? So then you need to set up expectations. If that person says, I will watch the webinar on Thursday, the live webinar, say, fantastic. So log in a few minutes in advance, log in from a computer, stay until the end. It's very important so you can understand everything. Or if that person goes for the option number two, which was to watch a replay, you can say, okay, amazing. Watch the replay from the beginning until the end. Don't skip any part. And write down all your questions. If that person goes for the replay, ask, okay, when will you watch it? When will you watch it? It's very important because from this question, you're going to have the point number 5, which is to schedule a Q&A call or meetup. What is it? After the presentation, either it's a live webinar or pre-recorded webinar, you need to tell this person that after the presentation, she or he will have questions because everybody has questions after watching this. It's normal, it's a business. So you need to schedule a Q&A call or meetup right now. Don't wait until that person has watched the webinar. You just say this, okay, fantastic. You are going to watch the webinar on Thursday or the pre-recorded webinar on Thursday. Amazing. I know you are going to have questions because everybody has questions. I suggest we have a quick call on Friday morning or Friday afternoon. What do you prefer? 10 minutes will be enough. And you schedule the Q&A call or meetup. If possible, you ask your sponsor or your coach to come with you and to help you handle the questions, okay? So that's it for the 5 steps. I promise if you use it, if you use this method, you will get results exactly as what you can see below. People getting more people to watch the presentation and more signups. And lastly, remember, it's not about selling something to those contacts. It's not about signing up people. It's about offering them a solution for a problem that they have. Okay? So try this method. It works very well. All the best.